So Eric, what are you doing?
Kana Shemayim Ve'aretz. The maker, thus possessor, owner of the heavens and the earth, Yud-Vavhe, Yahweh, Baruch Atah, blessed are you. Baruch Atah, Yahweh, Kana Shemayim Ve'aretz. So here we are on Rosh Chodesh of the 6th month of 2013, inaugurating the household of Terry and Lenore, and putting it up above the door as a mezuzah of sorts. Mezuzah means doorpost, but it's also on the doorpost and basically proclaiming the jurisdiction, the reign of Yahweh over the household.
I'm liking this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And a reminder for those times when it's appropriate to keep us on track. So we're gonna mount this up in the gable and put some green plexiglass behind it, you know, like vibrance of life, and backlight it so that the front of their mudroom, entrance of their house, can be. There was an emerald rainbow above the throne that was talked about in the book of Revelation. So emerald, you know, is green, so this is shaped in kind of the rainbow shape here. So we're playing off the
covering,
the throne
the
room,
covenant,
the covering,
all
the
that.
covenant of El Shaddai, as it says in Revelation, and the emerald rainbow above the throne of Yahweh.
I'm liking this. You should sell these, Eric.
You know, I just might. If there's anybody out there that wants one, let me know. In fact, it's not a might. I will, if anybody wants this type of thing.
Of course, we'll have to show a finished product after this is all up.
Should I tell them about the chicken?
The chicken?
Exactly.
Well, might as well, since we're here and recording.
No, we don't have another one. But,
this will go up on YouTube.
In Hebrew, they write the letter het as a ch, as in Chanukah.
Yeah.
I usually write it with a cx because it's a guttural sound. Het, C-X-E-T. In modern, it's shaped like that. Paleo would be a het, it's a fence. So if you're going to write the word chai, be het yod, but in English you might write it as a chi, chai or chai. Big life, or the ultimate life, is chaim. Chaim, you might write it as a C-H-I-I-M, chaim, like l'chaim. Now the word kan, which would be in Paleo kaf nun, or which would be in English K-N, is where you get the word can, like yes I can. It basically means yes, truly, so, thus. It's a pedestal. Or like when you put something on an easel, you fix it and put it in position like a signboard so it can be read. So you could say the word chai, kan, literally means true life. Now, if you say the word Yitzhak, it would be a Yod, Zadi, Chet, Kuf. It's the word laughter, but that, like the word Isaac, laughter, but also it's to sport, to play, to be amused. It's also mock and jest. So you go to theater or you go to a comedy show. It's something basically funny, or something that you might rejoice in. Rejoice with amusement. Like sports is an amusement. Yitzhak. And then if you write the word li, lamed yod, it means to me, or unto me, or by me, or mine, you might say. Like ani ledodi vedodi li. That last word li means my beloved is mine. So
possession.
It's possession. So you could write this word chai, kan, Yitzhak, li, And it's like true life, it's my amusement. Or the real thing about life is for me to rejoice. But lamed yod, lamed is a shepherd's staff, and lamed is the hand of work, or like the Creator. So like the Creator's instructions. Yahweh's instructions to me are my sport, my amusement, my laughter. True life is found in rejoicing in the amusement, or the even the hilarity. Yitzhak also has within it kind of like this concept of exploding fireworks. It's like, this is just great, spectacular. To me, being under his instructions, the lamed means teach and learn, and it's the shepherd's staff, so being one of the sheep of his pasturage, to me, is where it's at.
Thy rod and thy staff.
Thy rod and thy staff. And the way you'd write this is Chai Kan Yitzhak Li. Chicken? Exactly.
And there we have another quick lesson. Eric, this is awesome. We fly him down here, works his butt off. Not only is he a Paleo Hebrew scholar, but he's a world-class carpenter. And a painter. And a painter. Alrighty then, what a day.
This is a great day. This is the best day yet.
Yeah, kind of relaxing today, huh?
Not exactly. We're taking this very seriously.
No, yeah, I know, but this is relaxation to you. This is what you love. Yeah. And it's showing.
Compared to scrambling around on that roof.
Oh, yeah. Alrighty then. Back to work.